In the xy plane, the graph of 2x squared minus 2x plus 2y squared plus 6y equals 71 is a circle. Find the radius and the center of a circle. To find the radius and the center of given circle, we need to know the general form of circle with center A, B, and radius R. Let me remind you this formula, how it looks like. This is x minus a to second power plus y, of course, minus b to second power. This is equal r square. So we need to change equation of our circle to this form. So let me copy our equation. We have 2x squared minus 2x plus 2y squared plus 6y. This is equal 71. What first? Because we have here coefficients 2, negative 2, 2, 6. So I will factorize on the left side 2. So we will have x squared in parentheses minus x plus y squared plus 3y. This is equal 71. Next, I will divide both sides by 2. So 2 and 2 we can reduce, and now on the left side we will have only x squared minus x plus y squared plus 3y. This is equal 71 over 2. And next we need to change this form to that form. So first we have to have in parentheses x minus something to second power. So what will be in our example, x must be at the beginning because we have x squared. So x to second power when we raise will be x squared. Negative sign because we have negative here. And what next? Because we have only x here, so we have to have minus 1/2. Let me remind you also formula for square of difference. When we have x minus y to second power, this is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So now, when we take to second power x minus 1/2, what will be? First will be x squared. Everything is okay. Next will be negative 2 times first expression times second. So negative 2 times x times 1/2. So 2 will reduce, so we will have only x. So everything is okay. Maybe, let me write this on the right side. We have x minus 1/2 to second power. What it will be? We have square of difference. So this is x squared minus 2 times x times 1/2, and we have plus 1/2 to second power. I just use this formula. So now this is equal x squared. 2 and 2 will reduce. We have minus x, and we have plus 1 over 2 to second power, so it's 1 over 4. In our equation, we have x squared, everything is okay, negative x, but we don't have here plus 1 over 4. So what will we do now? We subtract from this expression 1 over 4. When we subtract 1 over 4, this 1 over 4 from this square we reduce, and we will have only x squared minus x. So everything is still the same. Plus, and now we have expressions with y. So in parentheses must be y and outside we have square. This is the equation which I use. And what next? Because we have y squared plus 3y, so will be plus. And next, what we will add here to get 3y? What it will be? We need to have 3. We will put 3, and because when we raise to second power we have 2, and I don't need this 2 here because I need only 3, so I will write 3 over 2. Let's see what will be when I raise y plus 3 over 2 to second power. It will be y squared. I will use this formula. Only now we have plus here. Will be plus 2 times y times 3 over 2, the second expression, plus 3 over 2 to second power. So this is equal y squared plus 2 and 2 we will reduce, so we have y times 3. So this is 3y plus we have 3 over 2 to second power, so this is 9 over 4. And you see we have y squared, the same. 3y, 3y. We have also 9 over 4 because we don't have here 9 over 4. So now I will subtract 9 over 4. So we have our left side, so we can write equals, and we copy 71 over 2. What next? We will move negative 1 over 4 and negative 9 over 4 to the right side because we need only this part on the left. So we have x minus 1/2 to second power plus y plus 3 over 2 to second power. This is equal. We have 71 over 2. Like I said, I will move negative 1/4 to the right, so it will be plus 1 over 4, and negative 9 over 4 to the right, so it will be plus 9 over 4. Left side we will rewrite. We have x minus 1/2 to second power plus y plus 3 over 2 to second power, and we have 71 over 2 plus the same denominator, so will be 1 plus 9 is 10 over 4. To add these two fractions we need the same denominators. Because I have 4 in the second fraction, so I will multiply numerator and denominator by 2 to get the same denominators. So left side one more time we will rewrite x minus 1 over 2 to second power plus y plus 3 over 2 to second power. This is equal. We have 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 71 is 142, and we have plus 10 over 4. Now we have the same denominators, so we can add these two fractions. So let me copy left side. We have x minus 1 over 2 to second power plus y plus 3 over 2 to second power. This is equal. Denominator is 4, we copy, and we have 142 plus 10 is 152. What else we can do? 152 divided by 4 is 38. So we will rewrite left side x minus 1/2 to second power plus y plus 3 over 2 to second power. This is equal 38. And now we come back to our general form of circle. The circle, we need to find the center of circle and the radius. The center of circle is A, B, whatever we subtract from x and is first coordinate, and the second is in the second parenthesis, whatever we subtract from y. So we have A will be 1/2, B, what will be, because we have plus here, it means B is negative 3 over 2. This is the center. And the radius, we have that R square is 38, because whatever we have on the right side is our square of radius. So r is square root of 38. If you don't see the second coordinate of center, we can rewrite one more time our equation. We have x minus 1/2 to second power plus, and we can rewrite, because in general form we have y minus b, so I can write that this is y minus negative 3/2 to second power. Negative and negative give me positive, so still is the same. I didn't change anything, but now you see exactly the value of second coordinate of our center is negative 3/2, and we have on the right side 38. So we have center is 1/2 first coordinate, and the second is negative 3/2, whatever we subtract from y, and we have r square is 38, so r is square root of 38. We found center and radius, so this is my solution.